nowhere near my video recording equipment, and I'm recording this from the snipping tool in Microsoft Windows. But essentially, once you have Alpha OBD downloaded, you're going to go to Start. You're going to look for Body Computer, and in my case, I have a 2015, so I just arbitrarily pick this. And once you have that OBD tool, you would click Connect, and the status would change from idle to connecting to connected. Once you're in connected, then you go to active diagnostics. From there, you hit this drop down, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you're going to look for car configuration change. First step, I always do the search, and there's this, let's see, you want to go for, you're looking for, let's see, rear tail lamps, front. So here we go. Low beams, low beams, low beam lamps present, and then you would select your value. In this case, you hit yes. If you're connected to the car, you would hit start. The first time you hit start, it'll read the current configuration. In your case, it may already be no, so you'd hit start one more time, and it would write the value yes to the car, and then it would respond back in this text box that the value is yes. So you need to do that for low beams and for high beams. I, not exactly knowing everything I'm doing, disclosure, I basically found anything that was like related to lamps and changed it to LED present and yes on everything. And then once you're done with that, you need to go to voltage, and here we go. So we have low beam right voltage, and I tried like 13.2, then I tried 13.8, and then I did 14. I ended up just going 14.8, and I would hit start twice on that, and then in here I would go to high beam, change that to 14, and then I would go to right low beam, change that to 14.8, and then I would go to right high beam and change that to 14.8. Once you've done that, you should literally be able to disconnect your computer and start your car, and you shouldn't see any flicker or any like intermittent headlights working. So give that a shot and see how it works.